Azure Key Vault is a cloud service for securely storing and accessing secrets. A secret is anything that you want to tightly control access to, such as API keys, passwords, certificates, or cryptographic keys. Key Vault service supports two types of containers, vaults and managed HSM pools. Vault supports storing software in HSM-backed keys, secrets, and certificates. Managed HSM pools only support HSM-backed keys. Azure Key Vault's soft delete feature allows the recovery of the deleted vaults and objects, keys, secrets, certificates. When enabled, resources marked as deleted are retained for a specific period, default 90 days, and during this time, the service provides a mechanism for recovering the deleted object. Soft delete is by default on during Key Vault creation with a default retention period of 90 days. The retention policy can be changed from 7 to 90 days through the Azure portal during Azure Key Vault creation. The Purge protection retention policy uses the same interval. Once set, the retention policy interval cannot be changed. Purge protection is an optional feature of Azure Key Vault, which is disabled by default. Purge protection can only be enabled when soft delete is enabled for the Key Vault. When Purge protection is on, a vault or an object in the deleted state cannot be purged until the retention period has passed. Soft deleted vaults and objects can still be recovered, ensuring that the retention policy will be followed. Let's jump to our solution to understand how to build an architecture enforcement policy for that situation.